what's in my fridge. This time, it's emoji cakes. And if you're a gluten-free girly, you can feel safe around here because these layers are made out of macaron shells, baby. I mixed this entire batch by hand, which while is what you're supposed to do, is not what I like to do. And so my arms were hurting for a couple days. Batter came out super smooth though. Not too shabby.
Not too shabby.
Thanks, honey. Next step is to pipe these out, and while they do start off looking like lumpy mountains, a couple taps and they're smooth and beautiful again. Check out my other reels to see what happens next, and to see more